Today we eat bitter chocolate mousse with toasted coffee, caramel and sauce with flour beans. Now I will explain you the preparation of this dish. The ingredients we need are red of eggs, sugar, fish, liquid and fresh cream, coffee, bitter chocolate, coffee beans toasted by caramel. Let's start the preparation. Let's put all together at steam cooker in a pot: the red of eggs, the cream and the chocolate. The glue fish softened previously with a bit of water, and some bitter chocolate topped with the liquid coffee. When everything is melted, let's mix 50 grams of cream apart, and when the mixture will be cold we will mix to the rest. Let's put it into the small mold and let's put in the refrigerator. Our vanilla sauce that I showed you now has been prepared simply with some red of eggs at steam cooker, some cream, some vanilla beans inside, and then when everything is boiling we let it become cold. Now we pass to prepare the dish. From all these ingredients we arrived to have this mousse. We take the mousse slightly and we put it into the plate. Let's put the vanilla sauce, the coffee beans toasted with caramel. Let's decorate with some flowers, a bit of chocolate, the mint, soft fruits. The dish is ready.
Da tutti questi ingredienti siamo arrivati a questo, alla nostra mousse. Impiattiamo. Prendiamo la nostra mousse delicatamente, la mettiamo sul nostro piatto. Mettiamo la nostra salsa alla vaniglia. I nostri chicchi di caffè. Tostati alla carruba. Mettiamo qualche fiore per guarnizione. Una stecca di cioccolato, la nostra menta, frutti di bosco, il piatto è pronto. Buon appetito!